Fabulous Food Boutique events. Today, we're here to talk to you about some ways to celebrate the new year, no matter your guest count. Whether you're celebrating with 2 guests or 200 guests, we want to encourage you to still create a party. And what do people love at a party? The bar and the dessert bar. Creating a signature cocktail for the night is such a fun way to get people involved, and it's such a conversation starter. Being at New Year's Eve, we did a champagne-based cocktail. Found the recipe on Half-Baked Harvest, and it's a delicious, light, and refreshing mix of figs, plums, thyme, a little lemon, a little honey. Not too sweet, very well balanced. Delicious. But in case you want to eat your champagne instead, you can always carry the champagne into dessert. Here we have a super fun Jello bite, a little Jello square. This can be non-alcoholic with sparkling cider, or if you would like to indulge, put some real champagne in there as well. They're super fun, one bite, and of course it's New Year's Eve, so we have to add a little sparkle. Edible glitter really takes this up a notch. When it comes to decor, we love picking a few of our favorite colors that really, to us, emphasize the theme of the event. So things like silver, gold, and shimmer, and some white pulled into this New Year's theme. You don't have to go crazy buying different things and pulling in resources. Take a look at what's already in your cabinets. We've got serving trays, a cake stand creates some height and dimension, and again, love a little shimmer on New Year's Eve. Another fun tip is incorporating raw ingredients. This helps to add a decorative element, and also it helps to explain to guests what they're making in their cocktail. Here, we have utilized a built-in bar countertop for our bar and dessert bar, but you can use any table or countertop that works well in your home. You don't always have to go out to watch the ball drop. Sometimes it's just as fun celebrating at home. With a few fun cocktails, it's a really cool way to add a little glitz and glam to the holiday. For recipes for our fun fig and plum New Year's Eve cocktail and our Jello squares, be sure to click below and stay tuned for more event-related videos. And information on Fabulous Food Boutique Catering, be sure to click below as well. Thank you so much for watching our video and tuning into our fabulous channel. Have a fabulous day and Happy New Year.